In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Buy Now, Pay Later on Whop. By the end, your product will be priced correctly so eligible customers can see Buy Now, Pay Later options at checkout. First, head over to Whop and sign in if you're prompted. Once you're in, look for your business workspace on the home feed and click into it. This takes you to the area where you manage everything related to your store. Next, open your dashboard. From the left-hand sidebar, choose Products. This is where all your listings live and where you'll configure pricing so that Buy Now, Pay Later becomes available on the product's checkout. Pick the specific product you want to enable this for. If you have a lot of listings, make sure you're selecting the correct one. Matching the title and thumbnail can help avoid editing the wrong item. Inside the product editor, go to the pricing section. You'll want to set the access type to paid access since Buy Now, Pay Later only appears for products with a purchase price. Then choose One Time. This sets a single upfront price, which is typically required for installment providers to appear at checkout. Enter your price carefully. Consider a clean, round number that reflects your positioning, and remember that taxes and fees may apply depending on the buyer's region. Below that, choose the correct currency for your audience. Double-check this choice. Currency mismatches can confuse customers and affect conversions. When everything looks good, click Save Product. Give it a moment to process. Saving locks in your pricing changes, and on eligible checkouts, Whop will surface Buy Now, Pay Later options supported for that product and region. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Make sure the product is visible to customers and that your pricing is consistent with any marketing you've done. If you edit the price later, repeat these steps and save again. Finally, preview the product page in a private window to confirm the checkout shows as expected. That's it. Your product is set up so customers can purchase using Buy Now, Pay Later on Whop.